Hey guys, once again we're bringing you another set of the coolest gadgets from Aliexpress and Amazon sites. Links to all the products are mentioned in the description. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go. Even if you have a power bank with you, carrying around the charging cable is an inconvenience, and uncareful handling may also damage it. This Keychain data cable is small, portable and easy to handle. You can attach it to your keyring or your backpack and thus easily carry it around. It attaches magnetically to your keyring to make sure that you never leave home without the cable. This hammer is a must-have tool for every craftsman. It is made up of high-carbon steel. Its handles are made of durable plastic that provide an easy grip. All thanks to its ergonomic design, it is effortless to operate. It serves 10 different functions. You can use it as a wrench, screwdriver or curling iron. It can also cut nails and cords and even pull them out. We bedtime readers well know the labour of perfect lighting. The table lamps are not always a good idea because they interfere with others' sleep. These handless LED lights can easily be hung on your neck and provide exact illumination to lighten up your words. Similarly, you can easily swing them around your neck when walking in dark places or doing other high-precision activities like knitting or plumbing. Having a dead battery is one of the most unfortunate experiences, so in order to keep yourself from such a dreadful thing, this wireless power bank is here. Now there will be no worries about cable and ports. With this power bank you can charge any device, whether it is a phone, laptop or tablet. On top of that, it has a slim and compatible design, so you can use your phone easily while it is being charged. Are you still rubbing stones to start a fire? You are living in the wrong century then. Starting a quick fire can be a matter of life and death in emergencies. This waterproof plasma got an edge over the other traditional lighters because it uses electric current to start a spark. Just click the button and boom, you have a steady flame. Plus it requires no fuel. This fierce boy takes an hour or two charging to lighten up your life. Speaking of versatility, if you've ever tried to buy a Bluetooth speaker, I'm sure you've gotten down the rabbit hole of whether to buy a big one or a small one. Well, no more, because with this magnetic speaker, you can have your cake and eat it too. And besides the options to have a split, single or combined use cases, the magnets serve a secondary purpose by sticking wherever you want. A phone holder is a must-have for all the cars which are not equipped with a navigation system. But this phone holder is a step ahead of all the others because it can be easily folded and thus you can place your phone in any configuration you want. Now attending calls or using your voice's phone assistant has been all made easy. For all keen woodworkers, this oscillating tool is your best companion because it can be used for sanding, cutting, polishing and whatnot. It features a blade running at high speed that can be fixed with different components. And because of its wide range, it is also called a multi-tool. It has an effective mechanism for heat dissipation, so it protects the machinery inside and can be used for hours long without any worries. Brushing for 2 minutes twice a day is crucial for healthy, vital teeth. But time passes very hard when you are standing there in the bathroom with a brush in your hand. Well, say no more, because this sonic electric toothbrush is super convenient. Just place the brush head in your mouth, rest your jaw, and boom! Now you have deeply cleaned teeth. Are you crazy about changing the setting of your house but hate how difficult it is to move the furniture around? Well, say no more. With this furniture lifter and mover, you can easily glide around your furniture and other home appliances without asking for others' help or injuring yourself. Do not be confused by the size of these tiny wheels, as they can sustain around 660 pounds of load. Flat tires are a part of the journey which you can encounter whether the ride is bumpy or smooth, but fixing a punctured tire is really a tiring task. But not anymore, because with this vacuum tire repair gun, you don't need to remove the tire to fix it. Its efficient screw mechanism makes it a child's play to push mushroom plugs into the tire. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you haven't seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Write in the comments which of the products impressed you most. Bye bye.